This is You Can Change Vegan. Hey there, let's make these puff pastry, spinach and tofu triangles. Start by thawing some puff pastry sheets, then preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit. Now add the spinach and onion into a food processor. Process until everything is chopped. It should look like this. Break in a large block of firm tofu and then season with lemon juice, garlic, salt and pepper. Now process the tofu into little pieces. The mixture's ready when it looks like this. To prepare the puff pastry, cut a sheet into 4. Take a spoonful of the mixture and place it in the corner of each piece. Shape the mixture into a triangle, leaving a gap around the edge so you can seal them. Now we just fold the corner over the top of the mixture and press down along the 2 sides. Make some slits for the steam to escape. Repeat with all of the mixture and then place the pastry triangles on a lined baking tray. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown and flaky like these. Let's have a try. That pastry is so flaky and the filling is a great combination. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching and thanks to all of my 1,166 subscribers. 2 more vegan recipe videos are linked above.